Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, sir. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first, and all things good. See, welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way to the platform. I had an experience in a Jamaica in the season. I want to share it, and hopefully, if the item have any like it, mention it in the comment and thing. So I got Jamaica on funeral, you know. Seeing my uncle drop out and thing, and when I fly in, the thing is, it was a quick thing, like ticket purchase and thing like that, no? Like deadline date and all of them things. Seeing, so we get a flight for Kingston. Seeing, even though I'm Mobi, the funeral I keep, Kingston I come from still, but you don't know, me use Mobi address and everything, because you don't know if you landing address and all of that sort of sitting there. So, me do that. Seeing, I'm now land in Kingston and do my thing. You don't know, they enjoy my night, the holiday and thing like that. And seeing, well, when I come back now, seeing, long story short, now I'm come back now, I rush to, you know, because you don't know Jamaica that and you always go late. Seeing, so I'm move to the airport and thing, and we on the line, the booking line, or the check-in line, the first line there as you go through the door. The wickedest thing, you know. Yeah, you don't talk about that. But as we go through the door, wickedest thing is that I left a spliff in my pocket. A high-grade spliff in my pocket. You know, see it. And the thing about it is that as soon as I reach in at the airport now, and the AC take me, it's like I just weed me and smell. The whole airport smell like the spliff. I still remember I have the spliff in my pocket. The whole airport smell like it, because it just amplified. You know, see, but before by this coming in the line, you know. You know, see, I know the AC will take a little time before it grab that and start building up the set. See? So by this, me already get take out of the line. Me say a white youth walk over to me. Show me him ID. Say him come from the British High Commission. See? And he come like a me come especially for. See? So him take me out of the line and bring me and my suitcase them. Go one side to the police them and thing like that. But they even get for check in. You see? So he might ask me, he might say he want to do a search. He want to search my thing there. So I said, no problem. See? I don't know. We expect them things to go on randomly. And even though I'm white, I never did look upon that as strange or anything. Because I know Jamaica and Britain work in conjunction. Whereas, end of the day, I Britain I live. And it kind of more, as much as a Jamaica I come from and think, initially, it was a bit more relaxing for a British man there. See, because I know infringement of rights, how them treat it, boy, and thing like that. And even though a Jamaica, the long arms of the law over here will extend over there when it involves a British citizen. You know, see it. So, we know certain abuse or certain things can't go on. Then me feel. You see, what's the flip side of the thing? You see, because so you get. See? So, immediately now, when after me start feel away like that, now, immediately now, the white guy all look at me and say, the reason why we pull you over, we suspect you, because you land at Kingston while you have Mobi address on your details. So, from the moment me land in Jamaica, them flag me, you know. because of mobile details. Obviously, him and not just the day when me a fly out him pick up on that. You know see, a family land and him decide say well let me have to go check out the boy when him a go back because this look fishy. See? Why you land a Kingston when I all the way a mobile you go? So before me even answer that the right way, you know, before me tell him why, you know, me ask him, say, hold on there. When I go back to Britain, I'm gonna land in London. I mean, look at my address. My address is West Midlands, Wolverhampton. Yeah? I have to drive about 2.5 hours to get to Heathrow Airport for fly from there. So, oh, you know, find that unusual. Yet you find me flying from Yasoga, it must say, well, at airport there, Mobile. Well, I've never land at Mobile airport, flight go on Mobile. So I say, watch out, man. The place, because still me know say, that don't make sense I get a reason for suspect me. There's a whole heap of other issues where you could have looked at long before you reach to that. But as well, them issues that could have already been observed, like I'm soon telling you. But it could have make the thing look suspicious as well. So, if I go sub up and say, yeah, so why, you know, airport there, right, and so I say Jamaica nice and pretty and a long time I come here. You see it. Kingston I come from really. And I want to drive through. Wife I want to drive through and enjoy the scenery. And my way to Mobile. You see it. And my way back. I want some time to enjoy the scenery. Come back again. Wife, what? That could have been the case. Why is that suspicious? You know see it. Why this the Jamaica police them a search my suitcase them and thing like that. You know see now one of my suitcase, now the biggest one, a big bush, you know it. All kind of leaf, no clothes, not even a socks. Pure bush, all kind of medicinal, herbal thing on them something. You know see it. So the policeman them a ask me the name of the bush them now, cause them see me I get irritated. Before them open my suitcase, as a matter of fact, the policeman them ask me a question. Them say, yo, has anybody help you pack your suitcase? Me say, yeah. So immediately, for them antenna go up when me say, yeah. See? So them say, you know everything where them put in them. Say, no. Them just tell me what them a put or send for somebody and thing like that. So them well excited now because that sound like me I deny having knowledge of something might be potentially illegal in my suitcase, you know. So them get excited. You know, see it? And yeah, so basically want to educate me. I know say whatever, regardless of what me is responsible for whatever in there. I say, yeah, but no. I must say, you sure nobody not put nothing illegal in there and that. So my reply at that, no, because I know that's how them I go with them argument. My reply to the Jamaican police, them now where asked me that was, yo, how I reckon I come from? You know? Oliver Road I come from. Tommy, my name. Tony Brown, I'm my boss. Anybody put something in there what I don't want in there, can't put it in there. Nobody when basically nobody, even if somebody give me something to carry up, I don't even have to take it. Cause nobody can't put nothing in there where I gonna put me in a trouble. Your mother want to you, man. That's the two police get disinterested immediately. And me see them reaction. Like can them hold up them head and look at me and say, like them I say, but any man I go identify themselves, so them come, say them is that, and them come from Deso and thing like that. No man now come here to come tell that as a lie. No man now come here to come highlight that if him have anything illegal upon him or do nothing illegal. Immediately the police them done with me. Them no more hostility. The Jamaican police them. See, you can see it upon them and even the white man see it to say everything changed. And no badness no go on, you know, no disrespect, no bribe, no nothing. But the wickedest thing now is to the way we deal with it. The policeman pick up something interesting go on, you know, or something where I'm supposed to involve in. Not the policeman, the white man. You know, see, the British official. So him say, what did he say? What did he say to the two policemen? And like the policeman, them go say, never mind, I don't make that sense. You know, we like, you know, make that sense when you explain it to you, because it'll take too long, and it's not like, now go look too official. For we there, basically, I translate everything where I say to you. So with them gesture, and that it's entirely, and him get it, me get it, and everybody whether there in the vicinity get it. But him never like that. Him nah buy that. Him nah accept for them intelligence. You don't see it. As much as them did it, I do a job, chain police officer, the boy nah accept for them intelligence. You don't see it. And him take offense to it. You don't see it. So, him now, me now, when me see that, me look on him and look on the police them and say, no. You know why him so suspicious because you see this and take out the visa ID and show them and say this, him personally know say this is an indentured labor's card. You see in Britain, I look on him and I talk to the police them. We as Jamaican have to pay the highest tax band A. Ask him if I lie. See? We know the tax responsible for all your social amenities, all of the social services and things like that. Yet still, we can't get them, like particularly the hospital. See? It's free as a tax-paying citizen. See? I pay a higher tax than the regular citizen, yet I can't use the hospital. Before I apply for visa, the card here, I am going to have to pay a surcharge, a sum of money for medical when we might not use yet and we might not use. Because if the term run out, the visa term run out, and me still not use the hospital, me not get back the money. When I renew the visa, I have to pay another money again. And guess what? That time when we pay again is a different sum, and we don't know how much until the day you can't prepare for it. You don't see it until you make your application, them give you a price. So again, the price would have vary. See? Alright now, you see for the same visa, yeah, we have to pay nearly £1,800 or over £1,800 for the best of it, for do the full package, the application and everything. You know, see? And we're not paying a liar yet. We're not paying a liar no money yet. See? So the police them now start looking at him like him them want to search. Like him do something suspicious. Cause he must say the police them, before them start looking at him suspicious now, them must say, I told them thing away at her. That's why I say, oh you mean, see him there, ask him if I lie me I tell. Hey, I lie me I tell. And him stand up there like, I say, yeah man, we are indentured slave over there man. I am not supposed to be able to afford a holiday back home. Again, our ticket them twice the price of an Australian ticket. And Australia is twice the flying time. See him there, ask him if I lie, me I tell. The money where we are work, him can't believe say, a loan me take out for fly come at Jamaica. And me have to go back now go work for years for pay back that loan there. Before me can come at Jamaica. Him have to find out that I have evidence of that. For him not suspect me of doing a drugs run. This is him reason for suspecting me of being a drug smuggler. Because me a work and I live way below the threshold of somebody who's supposed to be able to afford a holiday to come to Jamaica, even though you're a citizen of Jamaica. That's the police officer them start look on him now. And everybody, because me never did a whisper. Americans are go about them business. Canadians are go about them business and stop and I listen to the way me I deal with it. Aye, Rastafari. So I, after that now, the police officer them wrap me up, you know? Yeah, and tell me if I go and go booking and thing like this. By this, I think a special booking, because booking must be close off or a close off. And I think the police them book me in for me. So that's, because I can't remember booking in. You know, see it, me just push my suitcase in the place where them for go. And them just rush me. No. Yeah, them up in the waiting area, I go. I think booking must suspend or something for me. You know, see, but me know I find myself I go up in the waiting area. Go wait before you're bored. Now when me I walk up, there's a be people around, well, now I'm going to say be people, but couple people around me we come from different parts of the world. And them ask me, are those things they're saying really true? That's me I say, believe you or me, man, and show them it and say, true, Jamaican, love act like say, oh, me have my state. And them tell you the circumstances surrounding the state where we get. You know, see it. Them just show off and make it look like, say, them live, them are British now and them something there while them tell you the truth, them is nothing more than a servant, an indentured servant. If them don't live up to the requirements of the visa, by which you know share human rights like the regular human being them boy, and now you're down. You even have Jamaicans who have more human rights than Jamaicans because them have a different visa thing. You know, see it. So it's unrelatable. Even when it's like some Jamaican to them this are news. Some Jamaican to them this is disputable. You know, for them mind. And them little weird. You know, see it. So while reasoning with the other rest of people them where go other places in the world now regarding my UK visa and thing like that. Now, you know, you got a little interest and thing. And now me up in the area, them are rebel. Everybody I know say, yeah, the Ras no business. The Ras look like the Ras no business, Rasta. You know, see it. So the maddest thing now, you know, is when when boarding time come now. Seeing, and we go so boop and a shuffle I go through. You know, when we reach at the plane door, is the boy that again me see. I think I wait him there, wait for me. Him and a woman police officer were never there, nowhere near. When the first incident, the first search I go on. Seen? Never there, nowhere near there, so. The boy stopped me at the plane door and see the same bag them with the Jamaican police them dig down. The boy dig them down again with the Jamaican police, yeah. And you see, the tone and the nature when they talk with before, though it might sound a bit animated, yeah, so. A while ago when I describe it to you know, eh? It's that time there when the man do that now, eh? At them time there, the fire turn up. At the policewoman where search my thing them now start beg me for cool and go up on the plane, Natty just cool no man and go up on the plane. Yeah man, because my sister now and I like say me I use now the disrespectful term, a UK principle that him supposed to portray when him go out there. That coming up bully boy business because I prove you're wrong and you target me unnecessarily and it frustrates me. That's my talk up and you come now a bully me, you bring strange police whenever they when you know the first interaction come here and you say like you that you abuse your power and wait till me reach back at UK, me I go report you and like go at him. You know, say it. And the police woman I say, yo, Natty, you know, Cause she, like me say, and that's what she educated. I get educated about the whole thing. You see it, and from the moment she realized me, I say, hey boy, you know, just search me down this already. You come back here so with your fuck with again. Hey boy, I want you. You go like you want man knock you out in a Jamaica and stay down here. You think me have a problem? Yo, when me thought, no, we don't shift him and shift up, you know, like him I say, because of that, the boy come the fire, he know the strategy. I saw them work. You know, see it? Press your button, press your button, press your button till you're reacting a way where them can make it look like, say, no, them nothing with them they do before no matter no more. Because of your reaction. The next step, them take all of the step towards you, and once you push back, there is no way further to go but push back. You don't see it? No, you wrong. Cause you need to stay there and take it. And somehow wait upon them to tell condemn film action say him wrong. And him claim innocent, he never mean it that way. This is how I meant it with the double standard comprehension of English language. And then we could dirty way there. You know see it? Yeah, so I and I Jamaican police now we stop search the bag again. You know see it? And I said that I go like basically she said that go on for true. You don't know what happened. So we reach England now. After the long flight, Rasta come landing in England. When I man reach immigration asks me if me ever in any trouble with the law. Me explain how and when or why or if ever. Anyway, I'm say stand up as a door move. We have a little thing here we have to go to the road and so come back. Right. When we look about 6 custom officers and come for me, with 2 dogs. The crowd there, but me there at the desk, The man gone in the detail, documents and everything, and carry me go around. So. And the moment them come for me, I say, hey, when a friend are easy and all, you press button. When I make a little idiot friend of Jamaica setting up here to stop me. No, Jamaica, it's night now in Jamaica and it's there now over here or whatever. I say, hey, I want email him to send. And notify him about that immediately is for them counter to my claim. Make me know say that I go on for true. The boy them teeth all my baby them slippers. I buy a slippers for my baby them Jamaican slippers type thing for my baby them. And the only thing them that missing when we reach up here. The only thing them missing. You see it? 2 flip-flop. And the boy them teeth them up here them get. I eat through them get. This them get take away. And right through all of that, the spliff in a me pocket. Same way I stink up the whole airport from Jamaica right to Heathrow. Me I smell the ganja high. Me can't touch it for dash it away again. Me afraid me don't know what to do with it. You see it? At one point me I say it's just a spliff. So them can't charge me for them can't charge me for some export this for supply or whatever. At one point me just give up. Me I figure out something did have it now. When me and them kick off and all them thing there. You see it? But when we reach a Britain, the man set up another set of custom officer over here for pull me over, dig up my bush them again, and I be a bush and the thing in the rasta and the man see. I mean explain, no ganja no in the dog, everything go through it, Nothing in my clothes luggage them with attract no suspicion and nothing like that. Rasta. You see it? Just because me stop a mobile, but me land at Kingston. And if him did check, he would have say that ticket I buy days before me fly. So, my choices were limited. I lucky. I was able to get a flight. You see it? Him no factor that in none at all. Because my status of Britain override that. You see it? The suspicion. It's fitting to suspect. And when I defend myself brilliantly, I don't know what sort of offense a guy should I want to take for that? That's the more call all Britain. Notify the authorities them over here to look out for me when me a come. You know see it? And I see him where me deal with them over here like how me deal with him at Jamaica. And the simple facts are well then them know say I cover for them friend and I do him dirty works. Take revenge for him. Them have to just quiet and what? Don't know. I act like them don't know nothing when me I talk about. But hurry up and zip up my suitcase them and tell me goodbye. You know see it? Just for he discipline me for having a voice, Rasta. You know see it? So I don't know if nobody else ever have none of them experience, particularly I come from Jamaica to Britain. We could can a reason in the comment section, you know? Yes, I like give thanks. Just a little experience. Rastafari.